Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn continue keyword. Previous lecture we have learned break. So similarly, here it is continue. Instead of break, we are replacing a simple keyword inside the loop statement of for loop. Continue. So what it will say is the continue. So loop, whenever you need to controlling a loop statement with the controlling of any of condition, if your work is finished, maybe you are implementing and running some other SMS you are making sending or any email you are sending, that code if you want to write, you can write here. In this area, you may write the email code or SMS statements, anything. So once it is done, if you want to verify the next lines of items, any or data rows, if you want to check it, yes, you can use the continue keyword. By writing this, what happens, let's see. If I equal to 2 and it will verify, then it will continue the statement. If we want, we can append something text to this and we can add it. Let's check it first. Let's run it. All the things 1 2 3 4 5 things we are getting here. Apple, banana. Oh, okay. So I equal to 2 item. This kiwi is not printing here. So it's making like continue. Then it is going to be here and it will be executing. Once it is matched, it is not continue. So if we want to make it something more information to for a text, so let's check. Here we can write like fruits of I. You can write or else hello. Let me test it. Save it and run it. So hello is printing. So once it is a hello is printing, it's making continuity. So breaking the line. So run. See, the fruit is apple, banana. Then if I is matching, then something is written statements are executing inside the block. Not whole the iterations. A particular iteration, if we want to print something, yes, we can add inside the continue statement. We can work with that. Then we can terminate from there to continue the progress. So I hope it's very simple and easy lectures for you to maintain this loop statements. I'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.